welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. This channel will be looking at disruptive companies in order to unlock exponential gains. If this is your first time in the channel, consider going through all my past videos. And if what I'm doing intrigues you, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget that notification bell, because that's how you'll get notified when I release another video. And thank you to all the returning subscriber for following me. I appreciate your support. And to everyone else, please remember that I'm not a financial consultant. Everything in this video is my opinion and is for educational purposes only. If you are new to investing, consider using the two links in my description box to open an account with Webull or Charles Schwab. If you use my link, then you're supporting my channel. I'm not sponsored by them at all. If you use my link, then you'll get free money and free stocks. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so some of you guys might be thinking, why is AABB going crazy right now? It's up about 51.89%. And I think it's going to be going up a lot higher than this. Basically, perhaps maybe past 30 cents. The reason is because AABB, they've set a date for their crypto exchange to launch, which is the 28th of December, very shortly after Christmas. For many bulls, like myself, we've been holding on to it for so long because of this exchange. Last week, initially, I thought that AABB would go up on November 30th, 2021, because they've signed a definitive acquisition agreement for the High Grand Bonanza gold mine in Mexico. I think this would be their third or fourth gold mine, something like that. I don't remember. But if you guys recall, immediately the day after that, AABB plummeted. And it has nothing to do with the company. It has nothing to do with the fundamentals with regard to the company, but everything to do with the coronavirus, the Omicron situation. So you see sometimes when you're investing in a company that you believe in, and when you see all of these irrelevant news causing it to fall, then that would be a indicator for you to add to your position and try to average down from wherever you bought. So if you bought high, there is still an opportunity for you to average down and lower it with these opportunities. Always remember, nobody can really time the market. You're watching AABB and you're thinking, oh, it's going to go down. I'm going to think it's going to go down at this price, and I'm going to buy at this price, and then when it goes up, I'm going to sell it. Remember, if we can have the ability to tell the future, then we'll never have to worry. We'll all be rich. I think what we want to do is you want to figure out, do your research, look for a company that you really believe in, you understand their product line. And so when you recognize when it is when it's on sale for a discount, then you can add to your position. From my experience, that is something that is more within your control rather than trying to time the market. Again, if any YouTuber tries to tell you that, okay, they can time the market, they know when it's going to go up and down, then you probably don't want to listen to someone like that. No one is that precise, and from what I know, there is no living or stock oracle that can do that. Like I've said, I've been in AABB for the longest time. It's one of those companies where I have the largest holdings. I have been holding it when when it plummeted. I've held onto it, have not sold a single share. In fact, I added to my position yesterday at 13 cents. Not too much, but a little more, just because I recognized that it was a good opportunity to buy before the launch. And sure enough, December 28th, it's a big day. And to some of you guys may not know what a cryptocurrency exchange is and why this matters so much for AABB. Think of a cryptocurrency exchange as like a regular currency exchange. They allow you to trade different currencies. When you go to the airport and say you're flying to Korea and you need Korean won and you exchange your US money for it. Just think of AABB and their cryptocurrency exchange in that sense. But what I've noticed is that the fees that they make from cryptocurrency exchange is significantly higher than normal fiat currency. I remember one time I had to pay nearly $75 to trade my Ethereum for a cryptocurrency where the miner's fee was like $75 for a very small transaction. So I hope that AABB will hold a lot of different cryptos for trades. Let me see in the article. Let me just try to see what else they said in this article that might be important to us. They said here that they have now been 150 currency exchange trading pairs added into the BCG Gateway platform, and 50 more trading pairs are planned to be added in the coming weeks. So we're looking at about 200. If you already have the wallet, you see that they have, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and just the regulars. And I think this is the right time to plant this, just because we see a lot of different cryptocurrencies that are not available on this, but are available on others, and they're all popular. For instance, like with Trade King, you have to go through so many. Tiger King, you have to go through so many different platforms to get it. Or if you want to buy a Dogecoin coin, then you have to use Coinbase. So I hope that if they're smart, they would use their cryptocurrency exchange to add all of those popular coins in one place. Because right now there isn't a single currency exchange that hold all of the popular ones. Throughout all of this, you guys remember that they're AABB gold tokens. I believe it's they've been selling it like by the millions. So a lot more gain a lot of popularity, which makes sense, right? You have stablecoin token backed by gold. I really think that this is going to be something really big in the future. And I was so excited this morning waking up that I didn't really prepare. This is supposed to be a comeback video, so I was supposed to, prepare for it, but I just sort of sat here, grabbed my phone, and just share whatever that's in my head at the moment. Again, I said this is one of those companies that I really have a lot of faith in, and hopefully it won't disappoint me. Thanks again, and I'm so glad to be back. I really missed you guys tremendously. Hopefully we'll have more exchanges starting from here on out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hope to see you again. Happy trading, everyone.